Your VIN is located near the main entry door of your RV. The first 3 alphanumeric characters identify the make of your RV. Keystone has the unique identifier of 4YD. The next space identifies the type of RV it is. T for travel trailer, F for fifth wheel, and C for folding campers. After that comes the model. This number-letter combination is a unique identification code for your floor plan. The next number states whether the unit has 1, 2, or 3 axles. The next number is special. It's called the check digit. This number is generated with a formula that plugs in the other numbers and generates a code number. This number can be used by authorities to verify whether a VIN is real or a forgery. Next is the year code. You can check the manufacture date of your unit using this number and the code on your screen. Finally, you have a number marking the location of the plant where the RV was built and a 6-digit serial number unique by brand. The last 8 numbers of your VIN are all we need to find your unit in our records. Having that handy and including it in any messages to your dealer or our customer service team can be a big time saver for them and for you. We're here to help. Reach out to our customer service by phone, email, or chat live with a member of our team on KeystoneRV.com. Follow the link in the description below to check your VIN with the NHTSA.